Welcome to Riverview, Florida, where comfort meets convenience. Nestled in a serene neighborhood, this inviting residence offers the perfect blend of modern amenities and suburban tranquility. Step inside to discover a spacious open floor plan, ideal for both relaxation and entertaining. The kitchen boasts sleek appliances, ample storage space, an island and a breakfast bar, making meal preparation a breeze. Unwind in the cozy living area or retreat to your primary suite that is conveniently located downstairs, featuring a generously sized bedroom and an ensuite bathroom complete with dual sinks and a garden tub for added convenience. Outside, the fenced backyard provides a peaceful retreat for outdoor gatherings or simply enjoying the Florida sunshine. Plus, envision the potential for a luxurious swimming pool in the expansive backyard, perfect for hot summer days and entertaining guests. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile loft space, ideal for a home office, play area, or additional living space to suit your needs. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, and major highways, this